Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Fang Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make the baked feta pasta that's been trending on Instagram and TikTok. My version is a little different because I added sausage. It's really fast and simple to make, which I'm sure is part of the reason everyone has been wanting to try it. To get started, I'm cutting up 1 cup's worth of sausage. I'm using a Polish sausage, but you can use whatever cooked sausage you like here. Peel 4 garlic cloves and leave them whole. Add 3 cups of cherry tomatoes to a 9x13 dish or a cast iron pan. Measure half a cup of olive oil and add half of the oil to the tomatoes and sprinkle with a little salt and pepper and stir. Then add an 8-ounce block of feta cheese in the middle and pour the rest of the olive oil on top. Finally, add the sausage pieces on top and the 4 garlic cloves. Now bake in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. While that's cooking, add water to a large pot and season with salt. Bring the water to a boil and add 12 ounces of your favorite pasta and cook the pasta until al dente or further. Check the feta and tomatoes after 30 minutes. It may need a little longer depending on your oven. When everything has browned and the tomatoes are soft, it's good to go. Mash the garlic with a fork so it mixes through the pasta evenly. Add fresh basil, then stir everything together. Keep in mind when you make dishes with little ingredients, the taste of each ingredient will stand out more, so use sweet cherry tomatoes and a good olive oil. Add the pasta directly to the sauce and mix until all the pasta is coated. Serve with fresh basil on top. And that's it! I really love the taste of this pasta, especially with the added sausage, and how fast it is to put together. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!